Right, hello once again YouTube, Andy with you with another video. I do apologise for not uploading too many videos over the past 5 or 6 days. I have been a little bit unwell with a touch of the old man flu. Yes, man flu is very much a real thing. A bit of a shout out to a podcast which I think is every Sunday evening. It's called Drone Seekers International. I went on there, I wasn't looking for them, it just kind of come up in my feed and I clicked on it and I just sat and watched it, and it's really quite interesting. This is a group of people who like flying drones, and it's just drones all the way pretty much, and there's a bit of a live chat going on the right hand side, so you can kind of get involved with people. I was in there having a bit of a chat to some of the others. They made me feel very welcome. So if you do like drones, then I would suggest pop over there, have a listen, and if you like it, go and subscribe. I'll stick a link down below to Drone Seekers International. It's a group of maybe 5 or 6 people on a bit of a live chat there, just talking about drones, watching videos, and just generally just having a real happy time. And it's a good hour spent, I think, on a Sunday evening. Anyway, so back to this particular video. I went out for a bit of a hike to a place called Lightwater Country Park, which is a bit of a drive from where I live in Swindon, but it was kind of worth it really. A lovely place. It's a little bit up and down, quite challenging. I do like walking. I also love flying my drone as well. I have got myself another Dji Neo. I've got some protectors around this one, some orange ones which look quite funky, and I've also replaced the props with the ones which I had on my original Neo, which is completely busted up. I'm a little bit sad about that, to be honest. I'm not sure whether you can actually get attached to a drone. I kind of feel a little bit gutted that my old faithful Neo there is no longer going to be kind of flying again. Yeah, I'm quite gutted about that, but I suppose in some way it still lives on because the props which are on it are now on my new drone. Anyway, the new Neo has got Carry Fresh. I think you'll be glad to hear that. I certainly am. And I put it through its paces using the motion controller on sports mode, ramped up to its absolute max, which is around about 8 meters per second, which equates to about maybe 19 or 20 miles an hour, which is good enough for when you're going through forest, quite dense forest, because things do tend to come up upon you quite quickly, and you really have got to concentrate 100% on the task at hand. Otherwise this thing is going to be buried in the tree and probably go the same way as my first Neo. Anyway, I had an absolute blast out here. This is the kind of thing I like doing, guys. It just ticks so many boxes. One, you know, I'm out having a lovely walk, I'm breathing fresh air. 2, I love flying drones. And 3, I normally have my dogs with me and they get a good walk as well. But there's so many pluses doing this. You know, when you're flying your drone in a place such as this, your mind is completely focused really on just keeping the thing in a straight line. You don't really think about anything else. Your concentration has to be 100% on keeping this thing in a fairly straight line. So when I am flying this little drone through the trees, I am basically just looking for the gaps and aiming for the gaps, and it really is quite exhilarating when you can actually find the gaps, and it all works out really well. There we go. Anyway guys, there'll be more videos to come. I'm hoping to get out again on Friday with my Flip and my Neo as well, so I'll probably be sending the Flip up first, just get that real nice cinematic high quality footage, getting deep into the forest where I can see deer and whatever else is in there. You never know, you might even see some lesser spotted great British Yetis. And when I'm done with the Flip, I'll then get up the little Neo and have a bit of a bounce around with that one there, and that's when the fun kind of really starts for those people who like FPV. But that'll be on Friday. I'm not exactly sure where I'm going to go yet. Still in the planning kind of a thing, but I do aim to get out Friday. Anyway guys, I just want to say thanks for watching. If you do like this kind of thing, then please just drop us a sub. Also go down to Drone Seekers International. There is a link down below have a little click on that. It will take you to their last live stream video. Sit and have a listen, maybe for 5 or 10 minutes, and if you like what you see, yeah, just bung them a sub as well. Cheers guys, thanks for watching, take care, bye for now.